In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add bulk products in WooCommerce with ChatGPT. If you've ever tried adding products one by one inside WordPress, you already know how time-consuming it can be. Writing titles, descriptions, SKUs, prices, categories, repeating the same process over and over. But in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT to generate your product data in seconds and then import everything into WooCommerce in just a few clicks. This method is perfect for new stores, dropshipping websites, print-on-demand shops, or anyone who needs to upload products quickly and efficiently. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more WooCommerce and AI tutorials. Let's get started. Step 1 is to tell ChatGPT to create your product data in the correct WooCommerce format. Instead of manually writing each product description, we're going to let ChatGPT generate everything in a structured CSV format that WooCommerce can read. Open ChatGPT and paste this prompt. I want to bulk upload products to WooCommerce. Create a table for 5 sample products. Replace this with your actual product list, with these exact columns: name, SKU, regular price, description, categories. Format the output as a code block in CSV format. Then press enter. ChatGPT will instantly generate a properly formatted CSV table including product names, unique SKUs, pricing, descriptions, and categories. The key here is making sure the column names are exactly written as name, SKU, regular price, description, and categories. WooCommerce relies on correct headers to automatically map fields during import. Once ChatGPT gives you the CSV code block, move to step 2, which is saving your CSV file correctly. Highlight and copy the entire CSV code block from ChatGPT. Then open Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel. Click on the very first cell, which is A1, and paste the content directly into that cell. You'll see the data automatically separate into columns. After confirming everything looks properly aligned, go to File, then Download, and choose comma-separated values, or CSV. Save the file as upload.csv or bulkupload.csv somewhere easy to find on your computer. This file will be used for the WooCommerce import. Now for step 3, we import the products into WooCommerce. Log into your WordPress dashboard. On the left-hand side menu, hover over Products and click on All Products. At the top of the page, next to the Add New button, you'll see an Import button. Click that. Then click Choose File and select the CSV file you just downloaded. After selecting the file, click the blue Continue button. WooCommerce will now bring you to the column mapping screen. This is where it matches your CSV columns to WooCommerce product fields. If you followed the prompt correctly and use the exact column names, WooCommerce should automatically map name to name, SKU to SKU, regular price to regular price, description to description, and categories to categories. Double-check everything quickly, then scroll to the bottom and click Run the Importer. WooCommerce will now process the file and automatically create all your products at once. In just a few seconds, your bulk products will appear inside your store, fully populated with descriptions, pricing, and categories, without manually creating each one. And that's it. That's how to add bulk products in WooCommerce with ChatGPT. You've just combined AI with WooCommerce's built-in importer to save hours of manual work. Imagine scaling this to 50, 100, or even 1,000 products using the exact same process. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step WooCommerce, WordPress, and AI automation guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.